Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pender Road, Chhattisgarh. Students, in this video, I am going to teach you exercise 2.7 means of chapter number 2, 7th exercise. Okay, so students, in this exercise, what is given? Story sums. Some word problems are given. So, this chapter is dependent upon addition and subtraction, and this exercise is dependent upon subtraction. So simply I am telling you here subtraction portion is there, but with the statements you have to write, because this is the story sums, or you can say word problem. So we are starting with question number 1, students. So see, there are 1500 or you can say 1500 seats in cinema hall. Okay, how many seats are there? You have to understand the question first. Okay, 1500 seats in a cinema hall. If on a particular day 895 people arrive to watch a movie, so if how many people are coming on a particular day? 895 people are coming to watch a movie on a particular day. So now question is, how many seats are vacant? So how many seats are left? So simply total seats are given. How many seats? Total seats are there. The number of that is given. And then how many number of people are arriving or people are coming to watch the movie? That is given. Second thing. Okay. So now the question is, how many seats are vacant? So it is very simple, student. So simply you have to write total seats. So how many seats are there? 1500. Clearly, neatly you have to write, so that you should understand what you are writing. Okay. So see students, now if on a particular day 895 people arrive to watch. So people arrive. People arrive. So simply people arrived. How many are there? 895 people arrived. Means 895 people came to watch a movie. So simply you will put a therefore sign. 3 dots are there. So therefore, how many seats are vacant? Question is, how many seats are vacant? So seats, therefore seats vacant is equal to. So simply students, you have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, you have to subtract it. So start subtracting from here. 0 by 5 can be done? No. 0 by 9? No. 5 by 8? No. So simply 1 and nothing is given. So simply from here we will cut from the right top to the left bottom. It will become 0. 5 it will help. 1 will help 5. So it will give 1 here. It will become 15. But 15 will also, after becoming 15, it will have 0. So it will become 14. It will give 1 here. So after giving 1 here, it will become 10. So 10 after giving 1 to next 0, it will become 9 minus 1. So now it will become 10 after receiving borrow from the previous number. So 1 will help 5. 5 will become 15. 15 will help 0. So it will leave 1. So simply it will become 14 and this will become 0 will become 10. After that becoming 10, it will give help to next number, that is next 0. So minus 1 will be there. So 10 minus 1, 9. And after that 9 will help this. So simply 1 goes here. So this will become 10. So now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 14 minus 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much? 6. And this is 0. So no need to write, or if you are writing, that is also correct. So 605 seats are vacant. So simply from this solution, I hope you are understanding that total seats are this much. People, how many people came to watch movie? This much. And now how many seats are vacant? 605. So according to this, you can solve question number 1. So students, for your convenience, I am showing you the next question. So see, question number 2. A farmer had 7,500 oranges. Understand the question, how many oranges are there in all? 7,500. Now, out of these, spoiled, 859 got spoiled out of it. So how many good oranges are left? So students, I hope you have understood the complete question. So let's solve. See, total is given total oranges. Total oranges 7,500. Now, spoiled oranges. Spoiled oranges. How many spoiled oranges are there? 859. So students, now this is the last statement. Therefore, good oranges left. Good oranges left. How many good oranges left? We have to subtract, because for example, if you are having for example, three apples you are having and one is spoiled. So how many good apples are there? So total is 3. From that you will subtract what? 1. 1 is spoiled. So 1 you will subtract. So how many are left? 2 are left. So in this way you can solve this question also. Now subtract it. So from 7 it will become 6. This will become 14. 10 will become 9. Then this 10 will become 10 only. So 10 minus 9 is, students, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. And 14 minus 8. Here also we have done 14 minus 8 is 6. And here 6 is left. So 6,641 is the answer received. How many good oranges are left? Okay. So students, so total oranges this much is there, spoiled oranges this much, and good oranges left. How much is left is this much. So see, these type of questions, if it is given the statement questions, the word problems are there. So students, what you have to do, simply the things are there which I am telling you. Be careful, listen it carefully. Simply first you have to read the question, understand what is given in the question. One by one you have to write the statements. After writing the statements, in last or sometimes in the middle also the question is given, like here, how many seats are vacant. After writing what is given, how many seats are vacant. You have to understand the question here, and simply here also as it is given. So how many are there? Good are there, total is there. Then here how many are spoiled, then how many are good oranges that you have found. So how you will do here? In the same way, 2 things are given here and the question is given in last. How many good oranges are left? So students, you have to understand the statements, you have to understand the question, and in this way you can solve it carefully. And I hope rest of the question 3, 4, 5, how many are there? 5 questions are only there. So rest 3 I hope you can solve. So thank you for watching.